Deep within its ancient rocks, crystals form over millions of years. One such treasure is the diamond. On January 26, 1905, a remarkable event occurred near Pretoria, South Africa. At the Premier II mine, the greatest diamond was found. It was named the Cullinan Diamond. The Premier mine, a vast open pit, was already known for its riches. Late in the afternoon, a flicker of light caught a manager's eye, high up on the steep wall of the mine, shining in the fading sun. Initially dismissed as a piece of glass, curiosity prompted a closer look. The object was embedded in the kimberlite rock. Carefully prized out, its sheer scale was breathtaking. Could this truly be a diamond? Its size defied belief, the air filled with excitement and disbelief. The earth had yielded a giant, a natural marvel of unparalleled proportions. A king among precious stones was born that day. The journey of the Cullinan Diamond had begun. The Cullinan Diamond was colossal. In its rough state, it weighed 3,106.75 carats, over 621 grams. Imagine holding such a stone, roughly the size of a human heart. The color was exceptional, a brilliant blue-white with remarkable clarity, like a perfect drop of frozen water with an inner fire. It was a rare type Dikia diamond, chemically very pure. The rough stone showed clear cleavage faces, suggesting it was part of an even larger crystal. Compared to other famous diamonds, the Cullinan was supreme. Its discovery reset the standard for large diamonds. The news astonished the world. Jewelers, royalty and the public were captivated by this African giant. Its legend had only just begun. The man credited with the discovery was Frederick Wells, superintendent of the Premier mine. On that fateful January day, he spotted an unusual gleam about 18 feet below the surface. Initially doubting his eyes, he climbed up to investigate. Using his pocket knife, he pried it loose. The weight, feel and look revealed it was no ordinary stone. The diamond was named after Sir Thomas Cullinan, chairman of the Premier Diamond Mining Company. He had purchased the land for the mine, convinced it held great promise. The discovery of this unparalleled gem was a spectacular vindication of his belief. Once extracted, the diamond caused a sensation. Experts confirmed its identity as a diamond of unprecedented carat weight and quality. The journey of the Cullinan was only just starting. Diamond mining in the early 20th century was arduous, involving vast open pits or deep shafts. Thousands of tons of rock and soil were moved in search of kimberlite pipes. Finding such a large diamond intact was incredibly fortunate. The Cullinan emerged whole, a true survivor of geological time and human industry. Once unearthed, security became paramount. The Transvaal Colony government purchased it to present to King Edward VII. A clever ruse ensured its safe passage to England. A steamboat with a strong police guard was a decoy. The real Cullinan diamond was sent by registered post, wrapped in a plain parcel. A surprisingly understated method for such a valuable item. The Cullinan diamond arrived safely in England and was presented to King Edward VII in 1907. The king entrusted its cutting to the renowned Asscher Diamond Company of Amsterdam. Joseph Asscher, head of the firm, took on the task. He studied the stone for months, plotting precise points for cleavage. The first cut was filled with tension. The blade broke, but the diamond remained intact. On the second attempt, the diamond split perfectly. This began the transformation into dazzling jewels. From the original rough stone, 9 major gems were fashioned. The largest, Cullinan I, is a pear-shaped diamond weighing 530.2 carats. It now adorns the British sovereign's sceptre with cross. Cullinan II, a cushion-shaped brilliant of 317.4 carats, is set in the Imperial State Crown. The Cullinan diamond's legacy is one of natural grandeur and remarkable human skill.